I will make a new project for this. How we can comment palette. Do you use this Visual Studio Code?
Yes, I do.
Okay, we can make this. Do you know this plugin, Live Share?
No, I do not.
This,
Give me 2 seconds. I'll install it.
this Visual Studio Live Share. We can code on the one document together. This is for this.
Yeah, I'm installing it now.
Do you see?
Yes, I do. I'm installing it now.
And this Visual Live Share Audio. With this, we can, like Hangouts, we can speak, talk, and we can write on the same page, same document, same code.
That works for me.
Uh,
I said that works for me. They're both installing.
Okay, good. I start for new project. Flutter new project. I will name it sign up. You know how do you start new project? I think because
Yeah,
you
I've done quite a few.
I think you can make a intermediate project. Yes.
Yep.
In my computer, something will be in Turkish language. It's not a problem.
As long as I don't have to read it.
Not if you want to anything, I can help you in Turkish language. But this is all of this in English.
Yes, I can see it.
You can read the text. It's not small.
Very well. No, I can read it very well.
Your monitor, how many inch? Your computer screen is big or small?
Well, it's big enough for me to read it all.
Good. Open it the project, and I want to start it. Did you install these plugins?
Yes, I did.
Okay, we can. I can share with you this project. Do you want?
Yes, please.
I click this share button, and when I clicked it, it want to me sign in with. I will sign in with GitHub.
I'm doing the same.
And Muhammad Ali, this is, and I will send you this link.
Okay.
I passed it here.
Give me a second. It's opening.
You see now this project?
It's opening. I don't see it yet, but I see it's opening.
Okay. and we can call on Visual Studio Code and I am CU. Good. I will start call.
Okay. Do you want to hang up Hangouts first?
We can close Hangouts microphone.
Okay.
From here. Are you hear me now? Oh, are you hear me? I think you don't hear me. How I can? Okay. You are here. Yes, not problem.
I can talk here, no problem.
No problem. When it will be start, we can talking on it, not problem. I want to start a project and simulator. Do you use Microsoft or macOS?
Mac.
Windows? Do you use macOS?
No, I'm on a Mac. I'm on a Mac. Like Mac OS.
You can start simulator.
Yep, I have one running. I have a Pixel 2 emulator running.
Pixel 2. Okay, yeah. I will start on iPhone 8 Plus.
I see your emulator running in the background.
Okay. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for starting the emulator, the app on the emulator.
Okay.
Is there a problem? I started. The first thing on this picture, the font of text.
Mm-hmm.
This is a custom font.
Oh, sure. I know how to install custom fonts. This was just an example of a more than basic form layout.
You can change the font. Yes.
Yep.
If you don't, I can show you.
I didn't see the visual editor you have.
No. You can see now. You can see me on Hangouts. It will be good.
Yes.
This text with custom font. Do you know how to use custom font on the Flutter project?
Yeah, I've done a tutorial or two. Just use custom fonts.
So you can.
Mhm.
Okay, not problem. We can give a font from Google. Fonts from Google. And starting Xcode build now. Okay, I will select this font.
Merriweather?
Yes, if you
Sounds
want,
good.
I can select any other.
No, that's fine. I was just making sure I was looking at the same thing you were.
Okay, it's downloaded. And we should open it. And we will make a new folder. Assets. I will name it assets. And on it, new folder, fonts. And I will copy the fonts.
You need to extract it first.
I can.
Okay.
Black is good. I will get it on here. And we should use this.
Yep.
On it. And there is assets
First
folder for me. And name it. I want to copy and paste. Okay. I copied and pasted it here. And we should close the app and start when we make any changes in this pubspec.yam.
Yep, whenever you make changes to the pubspec file, you have to restart the app.
Yeah. There is a problem.
You missed a hyphen, I think.
What I missed?
Or it's just an alignment. Missing a space? No, shouldn't.
This is no. Okay. Okay, we can start there. And we should delete this and this. And all of this. And this. We can text there sign up.
Yep.
And sorry, sorry, I want to style it.
Yep. With a new text style.
Yes. And I want delete this. And also this.
Yeah.
And this. And this. Okay. And okay. This font family is this, and font weight. Your child. I hear sound of your child.
Oh, we've got 3 of them.
Oh, oh my God, very good. Yes. And I think all of them not problem for you. You want only know how we can do these changes. All of this.
Well, no, like I said, it wasn't specifically that. Is most of the tutorials I've seen don't go into more of the advanced topics.
Okay.
They go into very, very specifics, but they don't wrap it into, okay, this is what can be done, or an example of what can be done, so that people following the tutorials know what exists, so that they know what to search for.
Yes, thank you. It will be very good. I want to make a safe area. Do you know safe area?
No.
The safe area for new phones, because the new phones like iPhone X or
the notch
iPhone
at the
10,
top.
there are a lot of area. We must make a safe area for this, and I will make in it a child container. When I make any fault in my pronunciation, please correct me.
Okay.
I will make a decoration. This is a good thing. Do you see my screen? The background color is gradient. You see?
Yep, I see.
How we can do it? We must make a container A container can make decoration. Decoration, we can make here a box decoration. The box decoration, we can make gradients. Okay, gradient. This is, I will make, you see 3 gradient. There is used linear gradient, and it begin from top left alignment dot top left. This is top left. You see?
I see.
Okay. And after it, where we will end, I must
bottom right.
Bottom right. Okay. Alignment dot icon.
You're missing an N. It's alignment.
Alignment. N. There is. Bottom left. And we can colors. We make it colors with lists. With list of colors. With list of color like this.
Yeah, the first and second. The first begin and end colors.
We missed it comma here.
Right.
We missed it here comma, and I will make a comma here and comma here, and I will colors dot accents. Which color? Do you know this? We can get
the one on the top left is either a light blue or a white.
Okay, we can get it. Where is it? Here. And I wanted to find the code of color. 1 minute. There is code, and I will color 0x ff and my color code. This is the first color.
Okay.
And we can do very colors. And I will make one color from here and take it here, and one color from here and take it here, and one from here and take it here. When I saved, okay, there is alt. Okay, you see? But the problem is the color.
The bottom right should be the end should be bottom right, not bottom left.
Yes. Okay. Okay, it will be good. And I want to begin form. This is good.
There we go. Yep.
We can start to make form, and after box decoration we make a child with form. Before it we must make a form controller, form k,
Okay.
global k. We will make there a global k, final global k, generic which form state, form state. The name is, do you know what's name of this sign under?
The underscore.
I didn't hear. Can you repeat?
The line before the form is called an underscore.
Underscore. Underscore form for make it private. The global k.
Yeah, you want a private. Pronunciation is private.
Private. Global k and generics form state. Okay, this is, and we can give this k form k. What's the problem? This is not here. Sorry, it must be here.
Yeah, it actually has to be inside the state.
Inside in class for scope of class.
Yep.
And we will make two or more than two controllers for one for email, one for first name, and one for last name, and one for phone number. We will make controller. Final.
Perfect.
Final form controller. Text field form controller. Oh, 1 minute.
Are you still there?
I am here, but 1 minute, please. Name is email controller. Email controller, we can say it. And text editing controller. This is. But what did you do?
Don't you have to define the type first?
No. We can copy paste from here. Not problem. Okay, please 1 minute. Okay, can you 1 minute, please. Text editing controller here is email controller equal text editing controller. We don't need to write this, but not problem. We can make it for time, one for first name and last name and phone number. First name, last name, and phone number. Phone number controller. And we will make here child. What's child? And in child we will make a column. A column. In the column I will make main alignment, and from center I want to start, or we can make it like this, cross alignment. It will be very good. Cross alignment scratch I want. And children, the first child I want to make this. Do you need this profile photo?
I see your screen, yeah.
You see? Thank you. The first child is center. I want to make a center, and sorry, container, comma here, and in the container I want to make margin edge insets all 10, and I want to make padding like it, and height I want to maybe 180, and width it's square. Yes.
Yes, it appears square. With rounded, yes, it looks square. So width of 180 as well.
Yes. And decoration, there is decoration because of this borderline.
Yep.
Borderline and background color. New box decoration. And in the box decoration, I want to make a color. Colors is white. I think this is white. And before this, I want to make a child for this. Child. Child is an icon. Icons, profile, or person. This. Yes, person. And his size. I miss comma. When I miss, please notify me.
Okay.
Size is and color is colors, and I think it's gray.
Light gray. Yeah, it's
Light
light
gray.
gray.
Shade. We can make with shade.
Well, gray doesn't matter.
I will reformat my code.
2 seconds, okay?
Okay, I wait.
Sorry, I'm back. Somebody rang at the doorbell.
Oh, welcome.
I'm here.
This is very light gray.
Yeah.
I should more than make it more. This is good.
Much better.
And after it, we will continue to the decoration. The top, we make a border. Border is border. And in the border, we want to make a border side
for each of the sides.
Yes, okay. For each side. Yes, border side for top, and color. I think its color is indigo. And I can.
Do you have to specify the width of the border?
Yes, it's width. Width, where is it? The width is maybe 3. And I want to copy it for
left, right, and bottom.
Right, left, and bottom. And when I save, I must see it. Okay. After it, I should make a radius. Border radius is border radius for all. I think radius. Sorry. Radius circular, and I will make it 20 maybe. Maybe 20. 20 is good?
20 is great.
Good. After this, we can start. Okay, I will make it comma. I want to start my form, my text field. And I want to widget center. Here, const for sized box. Sized box. Height is maybe for space between these. I want to see this for space for this. For here.
Or it's a size box instead of padding?
Yes. Like padding, but it's only space, not give a child. The padding is give child.
Okay.
Height is 20 maybe. And I want to make a text form. form field. Text form field. And I want to make keyboard type. Keyboard type is text input type.
Email.
For email, email address. And after this, when I save, I should see that form input. But this is. But this is not we want. We want to make a custom, and this is the text form file like container give a decoration.
Okay.
And decoration, but there is decoration text field text input decoration. Text input input decoration, or only input decoration, sorry, only input decoration. This is. And enabled border. We can make many borders, like you see: border, disabled border, enabled border, error border, focused border, and focused on error border. You can make all of them, but only I will make enabled border. The enabled border is outline border. This is outline border. I will see you show you how it will be. Okay, I want to make border side.
But if I understand correctly, we could have a different border based on focus or not.
Yes, we can. We can make different border for focused or for anything, for error maybe. Outline input border, and I want to make border side and border side, and color is, I think, indigo. Indigo.
Yep.
Colors.
It's good enough. It doesn't have to be specific, but it's good enough.
Okay. Width is 1/2. And style is border style. Border style is solid or none. But we didn't see it on screen. Maybe there is a problem. But we can continue, not problem. And I want to make border radius. The border radius is for all radius circular, and maybe 15, I think. if there is a problem, we can change it. Not problem. Are you here?
I am here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you now. I want to make what maybe padding or padding for column, or maybe we can make 1 minute. I want to all of these column, this column, cut it. I want to cut it and give a padding for it, and single.
I thought that was your safe area before. Or are we outside the safe area?
We add safe area, but I want to make in single child scroll view for when is keyboard is opening, it will be make here.
Okay.
And if it's not scrollable, there will be a problem. And for this, and I want to make it in single child scroll view, and with padding edge insets all, maybe 15 or more than, and after it child, and I will pass all of it here. And I want to see it on simulator. If there is a problem, we will reload app. Aha, you see?
Yes, I do. Looks very
Okay.
nice.
But in focused, we say the border is gone.
Plain, yeah.
We can do it only with copy paste border, enabled border. Here, where is he? I think here. I will copy it, focused border. Okay, you see? Only I changed.
I'm waiting for the reload.
Okay.
Now I see.
Okay. I want to make a
I
label
have a
text.
question. Could we not manage this through a theme? So when you create an input field, it automatically inherits the style?
Can you repeat?
When we set a theme to the app, could we not be setting this styling? So all the text fields as part of this app inherit this border.
Yes, we can. We can we can do all of them in here on the dim data.
Okay.
I will show you after.
Awesome. Perfect. That's great.
We can do, yeah. It's not problem.
No, but I was just asking the question because it seems to be duplicating work to do it elsewhere.
Yes. Yes. And I want to make a label text here. Label here, I think, or not. Maybe in input decoration, label text here. I want to make email. This is email address.
Yep.
Label text. but different between label text and hint text. I will show you. Email address. When I make label text, see it. When I make it label text, do you see here?
Yes, I do. I see it. It's at the top in the border.
When it's not, it will be here.
Okay.
This is and I will give it and helper text. What's helper text? Helper text is this, your email address. This is.
Oh, okay. That's what the help text is. Okay.
This is helper text. Helper text. Your email address. Your email address. And I want to style them. Label, comma, I miss comma. Label text style. It's like text style, not different
Okay.
thing.
So you could use your own fonts and
color is colors indigo, and font family is where was it? This is, and I can copy it from here and paste here, and I want to copy it with Command D. I helper style. Okay, on simulator I will see it. Okay, is that a problem?
No, that's perfect.
Oh, good. And I want to make it with one max length, max line is 1, and there is a icon, mail icon.
Yes, I saw that.
Its name is Prefix Icon. Its name is Prefix Icon. I want to make it before label text because it will be before it.
Okay.
Prefix icon. You see, I can it prefix text or prefix anything. When I want prefix, I select prefix, I can it anyone. Icon and icons email. I want email. And I want to color, give color because it's black. Colors black. Okay. Yes, it's black.
Yep.
Okay. You see?
That looks awesome.
It's awesome. And we will copy paste all of them. Only there is in the phone number you see an icon and prefix text. Okay. I want to copy paste it with sized box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 times.
You have 5 fields now.
Yes.
Because if you copied 1 4 times, it's 5.
Yes. You are very careful.
I've been doing this a very long time.
And one of them gone. The first was email address, and this is first name. First name. Your first name, and you can make the last name here, and I will change the icons. Can you do it?
Yep.
Okay. Please do
see.
it with last name, and I will change the text input type because this is not email address, it's normally text. And
Yep.
change what is icon here.
What do we have for the icon that was there?
We can make it with contact. Sorry.
Okay, so
text. Why it won't change? We can make it when you delete the dot, it will be give you.
but I did, but you just deleted it twice.
Ah.
But no, it's not doing autocomplete for me.
Only for me.
Contact.
Okay.
I guess the live share doesn't do autocomplete.
Yes, contact. Okay. And this is
last name.
Will be last name. And text. Okay.
Last one is phone number.
Phone number. We can make its icon with call. This is. And please text here, right here. And yep. I want to make a prefix text. Prefix text. Prefix text was +9 and 4, I think.
Yep.
We can save and we can see what we did. Okay, I didn't see the prefix text. What is prefix text?
Because there's a label. I don't know.
No,
it's only if you click on it.
It's not if focused. When when I click, it will be shown. This is prefix, but the prefix color is. We can style it like this. It
appears light gray.
We can. What was it? Prefix text here. Prefix style. Text style. And we can give it color. Colors is like black or. And we can give it font weight.
It's black.
Font weight. What's your son name? Do you hear me?
Yes, I do. Just my son was talking to me, so I muted myself.
Okay, what's your son's name?
Xavier.
Ixa. Do you see now? It's changed.
I do see it. Yes, I do see it.
When we didn't it's important thing in the forms. This is scrolling. When we don't do it, it will be a problem because when the keyboard is opened, it will be under keyboard, and we cannot see it.
Yeah, that's not good.
I think it's good, huh?
Yep. If you can scroll it, it's great.
Okay. We can give here some sized box.
Why is that bottom line white?
Yes.
Because we didn't put an expander.
Yes, we can give a very other thing. Sized box, height, maybe 13. Okay. Olaf.
But doesn't that create an empty scrolling area now?
Any idea? This is good, but when you click email address, you see at.
Yep. No, I see that. But my question is you just added a sized box for 30? But doesn't that just add a extra space at the bottom of 30 high? Is there not a better way using an expanded panel or something?
Expanded panel for what?
To cover that white spot. If you take off the what you just added, the concise box, height 30.
Yes.
If you do this, oops, if you take this, comment it out, and save, and go back to the emulator.
Okay. You want to make it expanded.
Well, no, but isn't that the better way of doing it?
It will be better, yes. We can do it.
Because otherwise, if we did a, you open an emulator for an iPhone 8.
Yeah.
You install it on a bigger phone, so an iPhone 10, you're going to have 30 might not be big enough. You might have needed 60.
Yes. We can make this center or this column in expanded. Okay, we can cut it. Column.
I was just asking, you know more than I do when it comes to Flutter. I just know from other languages I've worked with that there are better ways than just adding spacers.
Okay, this is right. This is the good way, better way.
Okay.
Okay, but there is a problem because I think maybe scroll view not give expanded.
Okay, because you can't put an expanded in a scroll view because then it's an infinite loop or a circular reference, whatever you want to call it.
Yes.
Because it'll expand as big and just scroll as big as it expands.
Yes.
Okay, so I get that doesn't work.
Yes. It's problem. I can solve.
Undo.
This is. But we can use it in the other thing. It's good way. But in scroll view, it's the problem. I think it's good. Do you want any ask me any question?
Well, no, but I was just trying to figure out what the best way was because you put a size box of 30, which is great for an iPhone 8 or an 8 Plus. But on the next device that's coming out or that just came out that is bigger than an 8 Plus,
we can do a good thing, because why we do it? Because we don't want to see this.
Oh, I know why we don't want to see the white gap. I
If
understand
we
that
don't
you
want,
put
yes,
30
yes.
there.
If we don't want to see, we can do the best way is this. We give this single scroll view, give it. I will like show you a good thing, and cut it and give that a container. Sorry, a container and its child, and passed it, and we can give this decoration, and where was it, and give this okay.
So putting the decoration on the container as opposed to the safe area.
We can use this expanded. We can use expanded here. 1 minute, please.
Yeah.
This. Sorry. Expanded. Only expanded here. I think it will be okay. I want to see it, but there is a other problem. Okay, we can use before form. Where is form? This is the container. We can use here, I think. New expanded here, child, and after form maybe it's solved. Before all thing we
if you have to undo it, my
Yes.
objective was not to make this more complicated. It was just the padding or the sized box of 30 seems like a temporary fix,
But
until the next
yes,
version of a phone comes out.
it will be a problem in the big screen.
Yeah, and it'll be a problem in the smaller screen because then you have to scroll more.
Yes.
You scroll past the end of the form. That's why I said it just seems bad to put a fixed size block like that.
Yes. I will fix it before
Another
the
time.
next on the next meeting. I will fix it, and we can talking on it. When we can maybe tomorrow.
I'm not home tomorrow. I've got kids' activities all day tomorrow. Tuesday night should probably be okay for me. Tuesday evening.
Tuesday, when in the which time?
I'm checking. Give me 2 seconds. I could do. Let's see.
On Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday I can. Hang on, this is not the right week.
Maybe we can talk after.
Yeah, we can talk on Hangouts between now and then, and I will confirm something. But Tuesday's probably good. Yeah, Tuesday should be good.
Okay, if you decide, you can text me. You can write.
Yep. Will you be putting this in a GitHub repo or?
This is, yes, we can send it to GitHub.
Just because I'd like to play around with it to get more familiar with some of the box sizing, some of the borders that you did.
Yes, and you can give this now on your computer, and I will send it.
Well, how can I get it to my computer then? You don't have to put it on GitHub, but how do I get the project?
No, you are now. I think you get it, the project when we write on the same code. This code now on your computer.
Okay.
And I will
just have
send
to find
it.
where it saved it. I just have to find where it saved it.
I will send it on GitHub if you want now.
Yes, please, just in case, because if I close the Visual Studio, I won't. I'm wondering whether I'm going to keep it or not.
Don't worry, I think it's not a problem. Because I think it's saved on your computer now.
Because it looks like it's in the temp folders.
What we can say, it's custom form fields, maybe.
Or custom sign-in? Or custom sign-up form? Or
field. Flutter, maybe.
Sure.
This is good.
Yep, that's perfect.
Create repository. And git I think this will make it. How we can do it? No.
Let me see if I can find a way to save.
Maybe there is a problem. No. Okay, not a problem. I will solve this, and I will send it on this link.
On a link or on the Hangouts?
Okay, I copy it and
I just paste it on the Hangout so that I can just copy paste.
Okay.
I really appreciate the time.
Thank you very much, and I very pleasure because I talking with you.
You know what? As we can do this as often as I can find time for, and you know what? We'll get something that looks, or we'll get a course, and I can increase my experience as well.
Okay, we can do it. It will be very good for me. And I saved the screen now, and I will share it on YouTube. And after, maybe we can do it course on Udemy, maybe.
Sure.
If we make very more lessons. I stopped recording.
Perfect.